What up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Malik. Welcome back to Malik's Eyes. Today I'm with two guests. They're gonna introduce themselves to you guys. We're gonna start. Let's start with you, right? Please introduce yourself to the guys. What's your name and what are you doing in India?
Okay, my first name is Muhammad Mokhtar,
Okay.
and I am doing B pharmacy.
Okay.
I am second year.
All right.
And yeah, Jama, please.
Okay. 1 minute. Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Egypt.
Yeah.
Oh, really? The country of Mohammed Salah. That's
Yeah.
why you look like Mohammed Salah.
Is it?
I know. I think you already know this guy.
I didn't know that.
But-
No one knows me.
They know me too much.
No one knows me.
Because this guy came, it's not his first time to the channel, you know.
Where did I come? No, not me.
Not you.
Not
What
me.
did you say in the last video?
Who? That person?
Girls are what? Girls are what?
No, that person was wearing black shades and a not me.
Introduce yourself again, maybe to the guys.
Okay, my name is Jema, by the way. My name is Jema Kabelo. I'm from Botswana. I'm studying in Andhra University, doing BTech civil engineering though.
Alright.
So I don't need to say much. People can come to my house and kill me. So I don't need to say too much.
Yeah, if you want to know them more, just go and follow them on Instagram and talk with them, alright?
Yeah, don't
Today we're going to talk about
before talk with purpose. Don't say hi for no reason.
bring businesses.
Yeah, businesses. I don't want people to hi. I'm tired nowadays.
You can apply all the I, right? Before everything, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and watch till the end. Because today we're gonna talk about how is the life in India for us foreigners. Like, how does it feel to live alone in India? I hope you guys you are living alone. You're living alone. I'm living alone. So, what's your first impression about living alone in India?
I feel like it gives you some kind of maturity and to be dependent on yourself. I feel also like you also need some time alone. You need to know how life is going outside of the box, and by the box I mean the place where you came from. And you know, when you are living when you're with your parents, it's not the same as when you are living outside alone in a foreign country, in a foreign place. So it gives you some kind of maturity, and it gives you a lot of experience to be a better person of yourself.
Yeah. Jeremy, what do you have to add on this?
This,
Yep.
what he said. He's right.
Yeah.
He's right. Staying outside is like.
No, it's not always, you know.
But sometimes it's not. Sometimes
Yeah,
it's.
sometimes. You know. There is one thing I don't like. I have to clean the house all the time. I have to cook. That's the two things. I don't
now
like.
find a girl.
I like to cook. I like to cook.
Find a girlfriend.
Let's continue. You know, she's watching the video maybe. So don't talk about girls.
So your girl's not washing dishes, not doing anything.
Maybe she's not here.
Okay.
Who knows?
But me, I'm single by the way. I told you last time.
Yeah, you already told that. But me, I don't know. Maybe I'm single. Maybe I'm not single.
Yeah, I'm single too.
All right. So two single guys are here. You know. So, Jeremy, what's the main difference you have noticed between Botswana and India?
Yeah. Like in terms of infrastructure, India is, like India is in the big fives. You see, in the world, there are those countries which are ruling the big fives. Like we're talking about America, UK. Yeah, India, the economy of India is growing, like it's growing rapidly. Every year, even every day when you are sleeping, understand? But when it comes to lifestyle,
Have a juice, man.
what's this? This is mango, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this one?
Hey, this guy is drinking urine.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, in terms of infrastructure, economy, the economy of India is very growing very fast, you understand? And we are easily successful to a lot of things like technology, a lot of things, you understand? But there are some parts whereby, like, when you're talking about human nature, you understand, it's very difficult for me. Because here, I never experienced